will use 4mm yarn, a hook of 5mm, needle and scissors. So let's begin! Slip knot and chain 15. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook and then single crochet till the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet back loop only into each stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And now repeat this round as many times as you need, so this piece can go around your wrist. For me, I'm going to crochet a large size, so I will crochet 30 lines. And now let's join two ends of the piece to make a circle. Fold the ends and make sure to insert the hook in both sides and just single crochet. And when you're done, don't forget to try it on to make sure that it's not too big or too small. Chain 1 and single crochet around. Slip stitch and chain 2. In this round we are going to make an increase. For that we are going to half double crochet 3 times. And then half double crochet 2 times into the same stitch. Repeat till the end of the round. Slip stitch and chain 2. Half double crochet into each stitch and repeat this round 5 times. Now we are going to make a space for big finger. For that, half double crochet 2 times. Chain 4. Skip 4 stitches and half double crochet into the 5th one. Now half double crochet till the end of the round. And then we are going to repeat half double crochet round 7 more times. And when you are going to half double crochet around this space that we made for the big finger, you just need to insert the hook into the space and then make half double crochet. And I will repeat this round 6 more times. Now I will make space for each finger. It will be 7 stitches per one finger. So I'm going to start the round as always and we'll have double crochet 13 times. So here I'm going to skip 7 stitches and we'll make a slip stitch into the 8th one. And finish the round by simple half double crochet. And now I will not chain 2 after the round is finished, but instead I will count 7 stitches and make a slip stitch into the 8th one. And now I will work on this small circle. Chain 2 and half double crochet around this small circle. It's going to be 7 half double crochet for me. Slip stitch and repeat the round, chain 2 and then half double crochet around this small circle. Now slip stitch and cut the yarn. I'm going to repeat the same for other fingers. Count the needed amount of stitch. For me it's going to be 3 on this side and 4 on the other one, and we're just inserting the hook in both sides at the same time. Chain 2 and half double crochet around. And when this round is finished, I'm going to slip stitch, chain 2 and add another round of half double crochet. When it's completed, cut the yarn. Going to repeat exactly the same thing for other fingers, including the big one. And let's use the needle to hide the end of the yarn. This is the final result. Hit the like if it was useful, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next one. Bye!